Okay folks, it's a hot day here in Michigan. Moving day has come and gone. There you see my little mill. Put a water system on it. The water system is virtually a frosting bucket from a donut shop or a bakery. Okay, I have a bracket down here that holds the tube. It's on an angle. It is welded to the bearing bracket, no biggie. Tie wrapped on. Over here I have a valve. It's on and off valve, right? On, off. And I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's on. And about where I ran it before. So let me see if I can get down there to get you a picture of it. Okay. Let's see. Will that do it? Yeah, I think it will. Oh, too much. Okay, that's more than I need. Tighten it off, About right there. That's what I had. And the valve sits right about like so. Let's see, can I get back a little farther? Gotta move. Here I am. There's where the valve sits. When it leaks that much, go around to the front. Leaks that much water on it, right? Right, leaks that much water on it. That's a lot of water. I put a little detergent in it. You can see the blue color. Okay, now the reason I'm taking this picture today is I have to move this bugger again. And the reason I have to move this bugger is in Michigan. You look up there, you're going to see a couple of dead ash trees hanging up there. And they're going to land right where this sits and right where my beehives are. So I've got to move both. And I'm doing that today. But before I move it, I'm going to cut another log. I have cut two. This is dead ash. And that's what's standing up in the woods there is dead ash. The wood is still good, part of it. Not all of it, but there's a lot of good wood there. And that dead ash is hard as a rock. So, in a few minutes, we're going to cut another log. I've got one laying up there. Going to roll it down, put it on the mill, and we're going to cut it. Come on back, boys. We'll make some sawdust. Alright? In a few. Bye. The sawmill running. I'm going to move you around a little bit. I've cut one side off of this. Just enough to get squared. Okay? Here's what we got. We got a little bit there. And we got a little bit down there that's square. We're about ready to go after it again. I think I have to move that far upright because it's a little bit high. I have cut this down to 10-foot 4, and I'm going to see if I can cut a 10-foot 4 log. Okay. And I have debarked some of it, just enough to get the dang saw down through there. So I'm about to run it right now. I'm going to go get that back stop right now, the far stop, and then I'm going to cut this log, cut a slab off. inches shy, right here. So I got to cut my log off a little bit. I'm about 2 inches shy. Okay, let me show you where the blade ends. Okay, it just started to rain, so I'm going to go in for a little bit. I'll be back out before long, but I don't want the camera in the water. So ta-ta for now. A summer storm. It only lasted a couple of minutes. And I'm a cheap bugger. And I don't throw away wood if I don't have to. And you're going to see that in my slab pile. I'll cut bark. And I'll cut as many small boards as I can. Okay, we're setting at 7 inches right now. So we'll go up, come back. I did cut a couple of inches off the end of this thing. So let's crank her up. I hope you can hear me. The grain on this stuff is as nice as oak. And there it is. I'm going to zoom you in. It's pretty nice grain. You wouldn't know the difference if you use the right thing. Okay? Look. I got to get this done before the next shower comes on. So that's all you're going to see for now. Bye-bye.